Keep the line moving steady now. Watch the gate on the left. Clear, bring the next ones down.
In this video, you'll see how much work goes into transforming the cowhides into these luxury products.
My colleagues and I work around the clock to make this happen. If you enjoy this, give us a like to keep our team motivated.
We got a bottleneck on track 4. Clear it now.
On it, boss. Keep them coming.
The Series 4000 alignment system utilizes precision rails and biometric sensors to guide the subject into Bay 7, clear for passage. All systems nominal.
Easy now, girls. Keep moving, you're almost there. Go on in, plenty of food waiting.
Keep them moving, single file now. Watch the gate.
Move along now, gently into the station. That's it, easy now.
Keep the line moving steady now. Watch the spacing on the next 3.
Conduct thermal checks on pens 5 and 6.
We're clear on the weight checks. Send the next pallet through to ceiling.
Make sure it's fully submerged. Okay, pushing it down now.
From the initial brush strokes to the tightening of the laces, each pair is meticulously inspected under bright light before reaching the conveyor.
This piece truly showcases the quality of the hide.
It's exquisite. The stitching is remarkable.